Hey everyone, this is a really quick demonstration of the Lightroom integration out of Kodak Professional Select. And I'm going to do this for you by way of a really great workflow. I opened up the right side panel of Select and I set my number of desired selections at 55. I like to use this as sort of a sneak peek workflow where you want to come into Select, you want a relatively small number of images to take to your next post-process workflow, likely Lightroom, but perhaps another editing application. You could always take these images to a folder so that you could get them into another application, but I'm just going to show the Lightroom integration process. So I've already set my ideal number of selections to take with me to that next step at 55. I've applied those changes. Also, one other important thing is down in your sort criteria, I have my sort set by selection. I like this workflow where your selected photos are at the top in the selected photos bucket, and then unselected photos are down at the bottom. And again, this is sort of that sneak peek workflow that I like to share with you. So I'll just expand this view to see the 55 selected images. So what's going to happen when I choose this ready to export, try to follow my mouse around here if you would, ready to export in the upper right hand corner, it does a couple of really great things automatically. It puts the software Kodak Professional Select in ready to export mode, and it also highlights. So the blue around the images is really indicative that you're in ready to export mode, and the yellowish orange highlight is an indication that these images are ready to drag. All I'm going to do, everyone, is resize my screen. I very conveniently have my Lightroom Classic version open. You can also drag into the cloud version, and then if that's where you work on the go with your post-process editing, great. You can also, of course, sync that cloud version with your classic version so that you have these selected images in both locations. Totally up to you. So all I'm going to do is they're ready. I'm just going to drag those over into Lightroom. And then depending on your sort criteria inside of Lightroom Classic, if you scroll through, you'll certainly see the 55 images. I have 55 photos in the lower left-hand corner of Lightroom Classic. And then I can just go ahead. I just need to move this over a little bit. And then I could import those images, those 55 images that are marked as selected, and those indeed come into Lightroom. So that's just a quick overview, everyone, of the Lightroom integration. I hope it's helpful. Reach out to us anytime. Thanks so much.